Okay, welcome to part 5 of Data Visualization 2. This is simply called Some Extras, and it'll be a quick discussion of a few of these links. So the main point is, like other parts of the R ecosystem, like the Tidyverse, Shiny is popular, and it has, because it's popular, has generated its own ecosystem of helper packages, and I'm just going to give you a sense of those possibilities. One of these is this thematic package. This actually is not only Shiny, but also works with ggplot and other graphing. And thematic is designed to, as we can see in these examples, allows you to define a style. Like, let's say you have a certain style you want your graphs to appear in to match the design of a web page. You can set those stylings and essentially turn it on so that all of your graphs sort of inherit these default settings, and that would include graphs that are generated via Shiny. So that's thematic. Shiny dashboard. Another thing that people, Shiny itself lets you build interactive pages with the possibility of multiple panels. However, there are some helper applications that are designed to kind of quickly build dashboards for you. So Shiny dashboard is one of these. This is maybe not as fresh of an example. It doesn't seem to be as well maintained as the other linked here, the Flex dashboard project. These are designed to produce, a dashboard. Sort of, the word in the graphics context implies this more rapidly updated, something you're always checking to see what's going on with the data, something that has maybe multiple components. We're monitoring multiple elements at once, and so that design can be a little different. Right here's something that lets us look at different clusters of some kind of organism. So Flex dashboard can do static, but also works with Shiny to let you set up these layouts, right, where you can see multiple things going on at once. And I don't want to spend too much time waiting for something to launch, but there it is. Okay, yeah. So here we go. 4 panels, a 4-panel view that lets us do interactive things in each of the panels, things like that. And there's a whole list of examples of Flex dashboard here. So interesting project. And there's a list of all of the identified Shiny extensions, at least by the contributors here. So you can see we saw one theme package. There are things that work with different aspects of the interface, different kinds of visualization. And so if you want some idea of other packages that might be helpful for you, this link will give you an overview of those, right? So obviously there's lots of kinds of visualizations, and lots of things that you can use to scale up your Shiny to more complex needs. And I'll stop here for this section and see you back in part 6.